Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Scorpio. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family history seen from second house, your upbringing, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your savings in the form of jewelry is also seen from second house, and your speech and food intake habits are also seen from second house. So right now your second house lord is moving in your fifth house. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your early education, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance is also seen from fifth house, and your fun activities are also seen from fifth house. So in the month of December till 17th of December, because Sun will stay in your fifth house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So till Sun is moving in your fifth house, we can expect good result regarding your family related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life right now, also we can expect good result regarding your girlfriend, boyfriend, and your engagement fiance related matter. Because your fifth house lord Mars is also moving in your fifth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life, also we can expect good result regarding your girlfriend, boyfriend related matter. And also we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now. After 17th of December, when Sun will move to your ninth house, then you need to be take care of your communication related matter. You may have to face some argument, some problem regarding communication related matter and your argument related matter related to your family members, because sixth house deal with your argument, fights, diseases, your court case, litigation, etc., etc. So after 17th of December, Sun will move to your sixth house, and Mercury is also moving there. Sun, Mercury generally represent communication, and Sun controls your second house, house of family, house of speech. That's why we can expect these results from Sun in the month of December for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house. And right now Mercury is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion in the month of December on 13th of December and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. So 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. So right now 12th house and third house. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is also seen from third house. Mainly your communication skills and your efforts. How much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. So right now third house and 12th house lord is moving in your 12th house. That's why we were saying in Sun section, after 17th of December, when Sun will move to your sixth house, then you need to be take care of your communication related matter and your arguments related matter, because Ketu is also moving in your third house after 30th October 2023, and third house represents communication. So communication lord is right now moving in the house of conflicts, and after 13th of December, Mercury will turn into retrograde motion. So in the month of December, you need to be take care of your conflicts, your argument, because your 12th house of losses lord is moving in the house of conflict. You may have to face some loss regarding your communication and your conflict related matter. So you need to be take care of your conflicts, argument, fights in the month of December. You need to be try to postpone all the competition and all the court cases if you have any court case running in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house, and also Venus controls your 4th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 4th house in its own sign, in the sign of Libra. 11th house deal with your gains, your elder siblings is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your professional network circle, and your PR is also seen from 11th house. Basically, your gains in life, is achievements in life is also seen from 11th house. Fourth house deal with your mother, your comfort in life is seen from 4th house, your peace, your vehicles, your properties, How much conveniences do you have is also seen from fourth house. So right now, fourth house lord and 11th house lord is moving in your fourth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your physical home related matter. Maybe you will invest in some property in the month of December because your lord of money matters, lords of gains matter. Right now, moving in the house of properties, in the house of vehicles. So in the month of December, we can expect you will expand your properties, or at least you will renovate your home in the month of December. Also, we can expect good result regarding your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Also, we can expect good result regarding your happiness related matter, because from fourth house we also see your because from fourth house we also see your happiness, your comfort in life, your peace in life is seen from fourth house. And right now your fourth house lord is moving in your fourth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your property related matter, and your peace related matter in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of December. Venus will stay in your fourth house till 24th of December. After 24th of December, Venus will move to your fifth house, and from fifth house, Venus will aspect its own house, means 11th house. That's why previously we were saying you will get good result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your love relationship, regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life, also we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter in the month of December. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Moon controls your first house. Mean Moon is your ascendant lord, and Moon is very important planet for you people. And right now, Moon is moving in your third house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of December, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with that. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties always associated with these houses, and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Scorpio. 10th house deal with your fame, your work, your career is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. Your work environment, your bosses, your superior, how much authority you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house. And your fame related matter is also seen from 10th house. 5th house, as we discussed previously, 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. So right now 5th house and 10th house lord is moving in your 5th house. That's why previously we were saying in Sun section and Venus section, you will get good result regarding your fifth house related matter, your love relationship, your education, and your children's related matter if you have children right now. But you will also get good result regarding your work related matter, because Jupiter is also moving in your 10th house alone, and the 10th house lord is moving in your 5th house in its own sign. That's why we can expect good result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your 5th house related matter, all the things which we have just discussed. Also we can expect good result regarding your money related matter in the month of December. Just you need to be take care of your communication related matter after 17th of December, when your second house lord Sun will be moving in your 6th house, because from 6th house Sun will also look to your house of losses, house of expenses, and your 12th house lord is also expecting your 12th, which will make your 12th house in a very strong position. So there are chances you may have to face losses and you may have to face expenses in the month of December. So you need to be take care of these matter in the month of December. You can expect these results from all the planets for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of December. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your fifth house, but after 17th of December, Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your fourth house, but after 24th of December, Venus will move to your fifth house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. But after 13th of December, Venus will turn into its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your 10th house after 1st January 2024. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.